Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. You guys haven't seen me drop a video in a minute. I could give you guys a little bit of what happened. So basically, last week I didn't take any trades at all during last week, which was NFP week. The week before, I took a dub Monday, right, and I took those two losses Wednesday. I think Wednesday was the last time you guys had seen me. Um, but I had also took another small loss on S&P. Yeah, S&P 500. So took that loss. Didn't trade on Friday. Left it alone. Didn't trade this week, and now we're here today. Today. Today I'm not looking to take anything. I just want to make a little small, quick video, short video of where I think price is going for this week. The reasons why I didn't trade last week. Last week it was just running. It was just running. It didn't give me any setup. Like every time you looked at the market, like even look at dollar, right? Monday, boom, I had a bearish bias. Okay, bearish bias for the week. Was not flipping my bias, right? Oh, excuse me. Was not flipping my bias. So, every month, every day, it just from Sunday it did open Monday here, and then it dropped on London session, which I don't trade. Monday Asia, we just dropped, came up during 10 o'clock, right? But we already ran out these previous equal lows, recent equal lows. So I didn't want to try to take a sell in here when it possibly could have just started going away from me. So I just needed a little bit more data here. We had a displacement lower. Monday opened up. Tuesday opened up, right? Asia, and then London just straight dropped. We came up into New York, right? 7 o'clock. Not trading during that time. 8 o'clock, we did come into this FEG right here, and then we fell off to come into a order block. Last down close candle that I was looking at, right? And now that's what we are kind of accumulating in, because we're not displacing through it. We're not having any expansion. Like this candle was the last candle that closed below a previous daily low, and then each day we're constantly wicking below this daily candle's low right here. So we're not getting any displacement. If you look at the hourly, all we're doing is ranging now. So yeah, so that's the reason why I didn't take any trades last week. It just dropped. Didn't give me any Judas swings that I like or buy side liquidity runs. Just straight leaving uh lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. But my setup, it just wasn't there for that week at the times that I was expecting it. Friday I did not trade, so didn't take anything there. But yeah, uh, so this week all I'm looking for is, what do we do? Do we keep expanding lower? Do we start coming for this low? We do have mean threshold of this weekly down close candle. I think we got relatively close to it and smacked right into it. Let me see. Yeah, I think we smacked right into it. Does this mean I want to buy? No, not necessarily. All the daily has been doing is expanding lower, so I don't want to try to call a bottom right here. I need a little bit of more of a. Let me clean this out. I need a little bit more of a move back up above this daily high, and a close above this daily down close candle, in order for me to even entertain. Okay, maybe we could start getting some movement higher. But right now I'm just thinking that we could continuously draw towards this low, this weekly candle. I'm thinking that maybe we can open. We didn't come up as much. We had a short um, run higher. I want to see us get through this weekly min threshold of this order block. See if we could get through there. Maybe some type of daily close below that, and then we could keep running towards here. Until then, I don't know. I'll go another week without trading, because I'm trying to get this payout, or even get close to this payout I want to make sure I'm taking high probability setups. If I have to go a week without trading, I will go a week. That's where I'm at in my trading experience now, to where I can do that. You know what I'm saying, and not have fear of missing out. You know what I mean? Uh, and I think that's like a key lesson for everybody else that's watching this video. You don't have to trade every day, and you don't have to trade every week. You know what I'm saying? Some weeks it might be stuck in a consolidation, and you get ate up during these weeks because you don't know, you don't have a good direction on where price might be drawn towards a high imbalance. You don't know, it could be stuck in between two PD arrays. You know what I'm saying? And throughout my back testing and forward testing, the times where I'm taking 6-7 losses in a row, and you're thinking that the strategy is not working whatsoever, right? It's not really the strategy. It's just the condition that you're in. You're not in a high probability condition. You know what I'm saying? You're stuck in a consolidation. If the hourly is ranging, what makes you think you can get a really good move within the hour if the hour is ranging, right? That hour might not give you any movement, because usually when I take trades, I want to see. I really don't want to be in my trade no longer than, if it's based off of me framing it out on that hourly candle. You know what I'm saying? If it's a daily candle, I want to see the daily candle. I want to see daily candles closing below each other. I want to see daily candles expanding below each other. Right? Same thing with hourly. I don't want to see this. This is the type of price action like this is what will eat up a lot of the P&L, right? Where you don't know exactly where it's going. You just get caught up in all of this. But all of this, starting from us taking out this low, we had nothing but display. Even here, we had displacement going, but you wouldn't know because you're stuck in this range. But once you start getting price going below there, then you get easy sells, right? And this was all low resistance sells, but it didn't really take out any buy side liquidity pools that I was anticipating it to take out during these runs. Didn't do that, so no trades, right? But right now, dollar is stuck in a hourly consolidation. Today's Monday. I'm not expecting price to really go anywhere today or really move all the way to where I'm thinking it's gonna draw to. I'm thinking that where this is gonna be a retracement, right? Which I would like to see a retracement into this daily fair value gap right here. See if we can hold mean threshold of that, and then start getting another daily expansion, right? To at least draw down into here, or maybe even lower. You never know during this month, right? Because we are in this new month. This new month did drop down into uh, this monthly balance price range. 50% of that's what I am watching. Since we did tap into that, you never know, price could keep going higher, and this month did open without it forming a upper top wick. All right, I think this monthly candle just straight dropped. Yeah, just straight dropped. No no top wick. So usually, whenever you have a candle form like that, we're usually gonna aim back for that high. So potentially, either this month or next month, it could start drawing up towards that high again. Right now, I currently don't know. I don't wanna pick this bottom right here, because it could go to this and through this, and go lower if it really wanted to. Because we did take out buy side liquidity. We did use this this bearish fair value gap with this up close candle. So I'm thinking that maybe we could continue to come for these lows, right? But first, we have to get through this monthly volume balance price range, and we have a no top wick. So there's a potential that it could bounce here, and that it could continue up higher from there, right? All right. So same thing with EU. EU, we did run into this monthly FEG. We could run into this. That is my next draw. We do have this fair value gap right here that I am paying attention to. See if we could get a drop into there, take out that low, this previous, this, what is it, Thursday low. Take that out, uh, reaccumulate in here, and then see if we could start getting runs higher. Same thing with GU, monthly fair value gap, right? Let's show you on the monthly that we did run through, right? We did close through it during this week. So I'm expecting this week to create a come down, create a low, and then start drawing up towards this volume imbalance right here, right? ES, like I said, want to see if we get through mean threshold at order block. In Q, same thing. Want to see if we could get or target mean threshold of this order block to the no wick that's resting right here, right? So like I said, a little quick little video, a little quick little weekly outlook on what I'm looking for. All right, that's all I want to see. Right now, like I said, sit on my hands until price shows me, until my setup is there. All right, until if the data is showing me that price is low resistant, even offering a low resistant liquidity run, and if it's not too high resistant, that would be completely fine. But I do want to see us get out of this hourly range. I don't want to try to trade inside of this, because if I get ate up inside of daily ranges, right, when the daily is really not going anywhere, I really don't want to trade during when the hourly is consolidating. So today is a sit on my hands type of day. Allow price to do whatever it's gonna do. Tuesday, if Tuesday offers some type of Judah down below, that would be cool. So let's go in and look at the news for this week. Tuesday, you have Joke. Okay, so 10 o'clock, Joke can possibly offer something, or maybe the manipulation can happen before there, but Joke could send price lower to come in, knock out sell side liquidity, which is something that I would entertain. That's something that I would like to see. Right. So let's see, and then we have CPI Wednesday, right? So CPI Wednesday. So maybe Tuesday might not be as high probable because you have Wednesday. Maybe Joe might give the run, and then CPI might give another manipulation. You do have just CPI. CAD, really don't care about CAD. 10-year note auction Thursday. PPI, initial jobless claim. So really a lot of good news, a lot of news this week. You gotta be careful Tuesday because we have that CPI Wednesday. So Tuesday could be choppy. You never know. So today, if I have to go another week without trading, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? That's straight. Learn from me. Don't trade during very low conditions, and I swear you'll do yourself a favor. That's it. So we are at $500 on this account. We're at $500. Took those losses that week, but in February we were up for the month. Even though we took those last three for this whole month, we are up, right? So I didn't want to tilt on Friday or tilt during this being like a tilt week because it's an NFP week. You know what I'm saying? Let that shit go by, and maybe this week will be more high probable, or next week will be more high probable. You never know, right? Since this week was not that NFP week was nothing but expansion and low resistance and just building up liquidity. So maybe I'll allow this week to show me where price is potentially gonna go. If price wants to bounce off of this monthly balanced price range, if price wants to bounce off of that and give a strong bounce, then maybe I'll entertain us running back above all these old daily highs that were never ran. right, since then, and it was no impulses. Judah swings higher, even with NQ, right? NQ just leaving a lot of buy side liquidity to target for later. Maybe we play off the mean threshold of the order, but I'm not gonna call that bottom yet. I need some type of change in the state of delivery, maybe on an hourly, maybe a trade above 25% or 50% of the weekly range. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't think this video was that short. No, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.